Welcome back to episode 6, Maintenance and Repair. Circular economy, close the loop. I'm Ed Tivnan, American's circular economy educator. Today we're going to talk about maintenance and repair. I'm going to show you how these two simple practices deliver what I call a trifecta of benefits. First, repairing saves you money versus buying new. Second, you get your favorite appliance to use it longer. And third, it keeps it out of the landfills. All of these making your community a healthier and happier place to live. Whether it's a laptop, washing machine, or a historical building, maintenance and repair are the foundations of the circular economy. Let's dive in. Before we look at human examples, let's remind ourselves that the circular economy is nature's place. And nature's been doing repair and maintenance for over 3.8 billion years. Think about your body. When you cut your finger, your body doesn't throw itself away and buy a new one. It repairs the damage. Blood clots form, new cells grow, skin regenerates. Your body is constantly maintaining and repairing itself, replacing worn-out cells, healing injuries, adapting to stress. Nature doesn't have landfills. Nature maintains and repairs because it's the most energy-efficient strategy for survival. Now let's see how Americans are finally learning the lesson. Let me introduce you to a movement that's bringing the repair culture back to America. iFixit and iFixit clinics. iFixit is an online platform that provides free repair guides for thousands of products. They had 100 million hits on their website last year. And they also sponsor Fix-It clinics, which are really cool, and I'm going to get to that in a minute. Website, iFixit, and they support Fix-It clinics. These are community pop-up events happening all across the United States, California, Minnesota, Massachusetts, Washington, D.C., and dozens of other cities. They're volunteer-run, completely free, and they have a 70% success rate on repairs. Here's how it works. You bring your broken stuff, electronics, appliances, toys, bicycles, clothing, and you work alongside a volunteer Fix-It coach who teaches you how to repair it. They provide the workspace and tools. You provide the willingness to learn. And when you successfully fix something, they ring a bell. And everybody shouts, "Fixed!" It's a celebration. It's a community building. It's a circular economy in action. This isn't about saving one toaster or refusing to accept that everything is disposable. To find a Fix-It clinic near you, visit fixitclinic.org or check your local library events calendar. Next, let's talk about washing machines, because this is where maintenance and repair really shines by keeping appliances out of the landfills. The average lifespan of a washing machine today is 8 to 10 years. Then it breaks, you can't get parts, and you haul it to the curb. Over 20 years, that means you buy and throw away 2 to 3 washing machines. But there's a better way. Let me tell you about Speed Queen. Speed Queen washers are built in Wisconsin and tested for 10,400 cycles. That's about 8 loads per week over a 25-year period. They use commercial-grade stainless steel drums and metal components, which other brands use plastic. They're simply built. Fewer electronics means less things to break. And they back it up with a 3 to 7 year warranty compared to 1 year for most other brands. Their first year service rate is only 3.6%. That means fewer than 1 in 25 needs repair in the first year. The upfront costs are higher, about $1,500, but over that 25-year period, you'd be spending about $2,400 for 3 washers. All the while, you're enjoying that washing machine and avoiding all those repair headaches. Now let's scale up from your laundry room to an entire city, Paris, France. Walk down any street in the middle of Paris and you'll notice Haussmann buildings. These are buildings named after Baron George Eugen Haussmann, who redesigned Paris in the 1850s and 1860s. And what's remarkable about it is these buildings have been refurbished continuously since that time. Let's take 141 Boulevard Haussmann as an example. It was completely renovated in 2017. The architect added 2 extra floors for more the elegant proportion that defines Paris. He installed HVAC and modern electronic systems. This adaptive reuse at a city scale, Parisians maintain and renovate what they love best, their city. Paris keeps its ionic character, can serve multiple generations. Now compare this to the American approach, tear it down and build a new one after 30 years. Paris shows there's a better way. Maintenance and repair deliver the trifecta for Paris. They save money, keep what they love, reduce waste, and that's what makes Paris one of the most beautiful and livable cities in the world. So here's what I want you to do. The next time you're shopping for any new appliance, a washing machine, a refrigerator, a lawnmower, ask one simple question. What is the availability of spare parts? If the salesperson says, we don't stock parts, or you have to call the manufacturer, or gives you just a runaround, go find another source. Walk away. Buy from someone that does have spare parts. If we all start doing this, companies will respond. Why? Because the profit margin on spares is really high. And as a society, we'll benefit because we'll get to repair these appliances, get to keep them longer, and save money and keep things out of the landfill. This is how you live a happier and healthier life. Maintenance and repair aren't just circular economy buzzwords. They're practical strategies that put money back in your pocket and keep products out of the waste stream. Well, that's about all the time we have for today's episode. If you'd like to continue to learn how to live a healthy and happier life, please reach to the right and subscribe to this podcast. I'd also love to hear from you. Tell me what your favorite repair story is. Or if you've gone to a clinic, tell me about it. Next time we're going to be exploring refurbishing, which means taking used products and bringing them back to like-new condition. Until then, close the loop. I'm Ed Timnan. Thanks for listening.